Hello guys, welcome back. Arbab is here. In this video, I will do a backtest on ICT strategy, which will help you to quit your jobs in 90 days. So make sure you watch this video till end, and it will help you to revision out this strategy. So let's start. So ICT said you have to trade on a New York session UTC -4, okay, from 9:30 a.m. to till 11 a.m. So after 9:30 we have to see a liquidity sweep of recent higher high or higher low, okay. So based on that we will take entry after 9:30. So before 9:30 we have to mark out our recent swings points, and after price take out that one, we have to trade opposite side of that liquidity, okay. Let me show you how what does it mean by that. Okay, so we have price also nearby this one, and we have also this liquidity area, this one, okay, this high. So we will see does after 9:30 what price will do. Yeah, price take out liquidity, okay. So what we have to do now, we have to wait a market structure shift or change of our character with displacement. What does mean by a displacement? Displacement mean a momentum candle, okay. So here are many candles. So these red candle is have a huge volume called a displacement, okay, like somebody involved in this specific area, okay. So we have to wait a market structure shift with displacement, okay. After 9:30 the liquidity sweep, and then we have to wait a market structure shift with displacement. If does not and price make break these high, then we have to find a new lower low and wait for that one as well, okay. So let's see what's price do. Price did not break this, and price go upside and become higher and break the high of this one, okay. So our now area become this one, so we need displacement of this area, okay. Let me delete this line because, and one thing for you more, we have multiple confluences. See, the price in London session is going high, so we anticipate, we can conclude that price will retraced on some point, and after that and that retracement we will take ICT concept and make profit on that, okay. So we can conclude that one as well, so it will be help for you as well, okay. So we have to see, yeah, as you see price make displacement here, okay, with momentum candle, okay. This momentum, not like the wick candle or short candle, have a momentum candle. So after momentum candle, does the third candle make a fair value gap? Yeah, it is, there is a fair value gap, okay. So we delete, here is a fair value gap. Fair value gap, what? The imbalance in the market which created by the hedge funds or big players, okay. So what we do that one, we will put our sell limit here and put a stop loss 5 handles as per that one, or the first where the displacement candle happen, okay. This first candle, second candle and third candle, okay. So these make a this huge candle, okay. So we will target our 1 to 2, okay, or the best thing is TP1 here. Once price reach here, you will become a break even, okay, and the second then here, okay, this area. So we will see price what do. We in the market, okay, and we will see, yeah, we hit the TP of this liquidity area, okay. So 23 pips is like that. Once you got a first TP, you can make a break even or you can close half and then break even, or it's all depends on your equity. Understood? Let's jump to the next day example. We have, these are very recent price action. Today is the 13th of the June. So today this one is a 23, 24, 25. The day I'm making this video is a Friday, the last day of the market. So let's see what will happen after on this day. So we come to next day and we have to mark out our recent. Okay, and let's see what happened. Okay, price takeout, liquidity, and we have to mark out as well this area as well. Okay, because price also took these equal highs. Okay, so let me delete these some lines. Okay, and what we have to see, we want to see a market structure shift with displacement with this swing low area. So we'll see what price will do, what behave he do. Yeah, what does he make with displacement? Just a moment. No, we know displacement, so we'll wait what our price doing. So price did not even do a displacement here and go back upside, and did not go upside here. Okay, so we will see what is the price action. So this is invalid. Why this invalid? We did not get a displacement. Okay, so if we did not get the displacement, the whole thing is invalid. Okay, we will see what happened next. Either it's have to be go upside. Yeah, see here what happened. These high and these high become equal. Okay, so once it's equal, the power of this area becomes shifted here. Simple rule. Okay, I don't want to discuss more like this. So we need now displacement here. Understood? We need displacement on this area. So let's see what will happen here. Does price make any respect to our area? Okay, let's see. Yeah, there is displacement. Yeah, this candle have little power, but sometime if you are not trusted on this, you can leave, no problem. Okay, so but here is the candle, and we will see after third candle is there is a fair value gap. Okay, because fair value gap is also important. Yeah, we got a fair value gap. We have a fair value gap here. So I put sell limit here. Stop loss, the candle who make this displacement energetic move at first TP. Okay, and then go for a second TP of a previous day high, low, or 10 pips minimum. Okay, it can be your 1 to 2 risk reward as well, here like this or like this. Okay, so minimum 1.2 or 5 handles in indices. Oh yeah, we got trigger and we go downside. This liquidity will be maybe for a previous day or a previous week. It can be anything, liquidity. Okay, so now next jump to the next third day. For your information, as you see, the recent trade price hit this area. Why? It's the last day, the low of London, 3rd of Monday London, and Tuesday Asia low. You see, price take out that one. So it's just for your information. You have to mark out these all possible liquidity area. If you don't know about liquidity area, you can comment. I will make video on that one separately for you. So we come to the Thursday, the last day, yesterday 29. Okay, that one I took as well. So here I mark 9:30. Okay, and then mark out the liquidity zone. Okay, here and upside. So price, we will see price take which side. So I think it's taken. Okay, if it's taken, then what I have to anticipate, even it's a small wick, I have to wait for a market structure shift with displacement here. Okay, okay, so we will see, does we get a displacement? Yeah, we get a displacement, but we don't get a fair value gap, so it's invalid. Understood? If we got a displacement but we don't get a fair value gap, so it's mean it's invalid. Remember my points. Okay, so price does break this low or not, we will see. Yeah, it's break this low. So if it's break this low, we will come and change our displacement area, and price become more low, we will see our this area. Okay, so price does break this low or it will come upside, we'll see. Yeah, it's, see what happened. Sorry, here this low, just I move for you. Okay, here this swing high is valid. Why? In ICT terms, if the first candle and the third candle does not equal or break its high, it's make a valid swing point. So here price, what he did, price come to this area and break this high with market structure shift with displacement. Okay, and the third candles give us fair value gap. Okay, which is here. Let me delete this all these lines. Okay, and we have this displacement, and we will put our buy limit here, stop loss with this candle who make fair value gap, the first one. Okay, and target the first TP. Okay, or 1 to 2 or the second liquidity or the third liquidity, it's all depend on 1 to 2 is the minimum. So we triggered in and we almost TP hit. Okay, as you see, so this is the back testing of ICT trades that's are, and today we have going on as well. So I will also share with you the ICT PM session and AM session, silver bullet and Judah swings as well, you see. Okay, so you can check my YouTube channel, it will be helpful for you. Many videos are uploaded there, and join my Telegram channel because there I post the trades on daily basis, and this strategy is not based on ICT, it's based on me. Actually I make this strategy, so make sure you join my Telegram channel. It's free of cost and I'm providing knowledge without any fees, without any course. So make sure you join this one, it will be really helpful for you. Thank you very much.